Question 23. K stands for a whole number. K plus 7 is greater than 100 and K minus 7 is less than 90. Find all the numbers that K could be. Now, we can't get confused by all this mention of K's. It is towards the end of the paper, so I think it's worth saying that this is a level 5 question, but with a little bit of clear thought, we can get to the bottom of it. Now, we're going to use algebra to describe what's going on. So, K plus 7 is greater than 100. Remember, algebra, when you're using algebra, it's just a shorter way of writing a sentence. So, K plus 7 is greater than 100. Now, the mathematical symbol for greater than is this. So, sometimes we might say the crocodile's mouth bites the greater thing because he's hungry. So, the crocodile's mouth needs to point towards K plus 7 because it's greater than 100. With K minus 7, that's less than 90. So, less than 90. So in other words, 90 must be bigger than K plus 7. So the crocodile's mouth needs to point towards the 90. Now we're going to do a little trick here. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the plus 7 so that we're just left with K on the left hand side. Now if we remove this plus 7, to get rid of it we need to take the 7 off. Now we can't just take it off this side and forget about the other side. We need to take off the 7 from both sides. So if we take off the 7 from both sides to eliminate this plus 7, on the other side we're going to get 93. So K must be bigger than 93. So if K must be bigger than 93, it could be 94, 95, 96, 97, and so on. With the other one, K minus 7 is less than 90. Now to get rid of this subtract 7, to get it back to 0, we need to add the 7 back on, so that we're just left with K. And if we add the 7 back on here, just to be left with K, we've got to add the 7 back on the other side as well. So if we add the 7 back on, we're going to get 97. So we've now got two statements. And then the second one, K is less than 97. So K could be 96, 95, 94, 93, and so on. Now what we need to do is look at both statements together. So K could be bigger than 93, but less than 97. So in other words, K's got to be between 93 and 97. So all the numbers between 93 and 97 are what we're looking for. So we're looking for 94, 95, and 96. We can't include 93 because this is saying K's got to be bigger than 93, and we can't include 97 because this is saying K's got to be less than 97. So the only answers we're looking for are 94, 95, and 96. And that's the answer.